Think umuwi. But yeah, that's initially the plan talaga. Solo camping, motor camping. Dapat the other week or nung Saturday, pero tamang timing lang, syempre sinabay na natin para witness natin yung blood moon, which we did. Beautiful show. And pasok tayo mamaya. Work, that's okay, medyo puyat pero walang hindi kaya. So yep, chill muna ako and we'll drive back home.